Hi, I'm David Johnson, service technician here at Code-3. Today I'm going to show you the different functions of the remote rocker max pack switch and how easy it is to program. To program the remote rocker max pack, simply hold these two buttons down until all 6 lights begin to flash. The top 3 buttons can be programmed as progressive level 1, 2, and 3 output. All 6 switches can be programmed as momentary, on-off, and timed output for 8 seconds. The solid light indicates momentary, the slow flashing light indicates on-off, the normal flashing light is your timed output, and the quick flashing light is your level output. The red button indicator light for buttons A through F is the selected function mode. Press the button for which you want to change modes. Once you have selected each button's function and are done programming, simply press the C and F buttons together for at least 2 seconds and the handheld controller backlight will stop blinking. This will exit the programming mode and the current setting will be saved. Progressive level 1, level 2, and level 3. Momentary, 8-second timed output, toggle on-off. We hope you enjoyed our programming guide and demonstration video on the remote rocker max pack. Thanks for watching.